horticulture, financing to the horticulture. What are the crops we can finance under horticulture? Mango, sapota, santra, all these things we can finance. Here, financing growing of vegetables, it is called as floriculture. And flowers, it is called as floriculture. Then fruits, it is called as pomology. Here, lot of opportunities are there for financing all these horticulture crops. And one more thing, there is an opportunity for financing plantation crops also. What are the plantation crops? Coffee, tea, rubber, cocoa, coconut, etc. Which there is a good scope of exports also. Then social forestry. This is also one of the important area nowadays it is gaining. Here cultivation of crops like eucalyptus, bamboo and casuarina, and particularly in barren lands there is no crop growth, and you can use these barren lands for growing social forestry plants, and these plants are used as raw material for paper and pulp industry. Then you can also finance for medicinal and aromatic plants. Here tulasi, ashwagandha and couscous, all these things you can finance on medicinal and aromatic plants. Aromatic means smell, scented plants, scent. Then spices and condiments, that also you can finance. One of the important spices are chilies, then turmeric, cardamom, clove, etc. All these also you can finance under horticulture crops. See, cultivation of mango. The field officer should have some basic knowledge of cultivation of the crops before financing the horticulture crops. Let us say mango. Here there are so many varieties in mango. That is in north Dasheri, Langra, east Fazil, Krishna Bhog and Maida, and west Alfonso Kesar, south Totapuri Bhimshan, and so many varieties are there. And here the amount will be around 19,000 to 25,000 per acre, and within 5 years these plants will come for economic bearing, and drip irrigation also you can have. That will be additional cost of another 7,000, and the spacing of the plant is 10 into 10 meters, so around 40 plants per acre. Then yield 5 to 9 tons per acre, and planting material is grafting. Grafting means mangoes are grafted, like this it is grafted, you see here, like that the rootstock and the plant material will be grafted. Now let us see the another crop, banana crop. Here varieties are Povan, Robusta, Dwarf, Candish, and around 35,000 per acre the cost of cultivation, and here spacing is 1.7 into 1.7 meters, around 1,440 plants per acre and 30 tons per acre. Sapota, papaya, pineapple, citrus fruit, that is lime, santra, that is sweet orange, all these things will come under citrus fruits. This is lychee fruits, coronda, bear, guava, granate. Let us see the horticulture proposal for 10-acre pomegranate orchard. All these things we have to see. Here we have to calculate items of investment and loan component, pre and post development income, cash flow statement and IRR, and repayment schedule with DSCR, debt service coverage ratio calculations. This is how to prepare the proposal. Please see it. Please see it. See the economic viability and repayment schedule. See the cash flow statement of this pomegranate exercise. This exercise we have to do, then only we can know how to do the exercise. See the repayment program and DSCR. DSCR is 2.27. Dates, strawberry, apple, peach, pear, plum, cherry, apricot, walnut, డ్రాగన్ ఫ్రూట్, ఇట్స్ గుడ్. ఆ తర్వాత అవకాడో. ఓకే, వన్ ఫ్రూట్ ఈచ్ డే అండ్ బీ హెల్తీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వెజిటబుల్స్, bulb crops, cooker beets, that is bitter gourd, snake gourd, bottle gourd, etc. Leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables. This is greenhouse farming of tomato crop. These are exotic vegetables, capsicum, etc. Floriculture, roses. This is carnation. This is gerbera flowers. Nowadays it is picking up in India very much. Anthurium, chits, chrysanthemum, gladiolus. This is tulip garden. Medicinal plants. Main important one is tulsi, aloe vera, dinar mint, vinca, ashwagandha. Nowadays the farm forest is also picking up and it will be used for paper industry. It is a raw material. Pulp is raw material for paper industry, and also some of the wood also available for house construction. Plantation crops, coconut, tea, rubber. This is mushroom cultivation. Mushrooms are nothing but fungal body with high food value, are rich in proteins, high vitamins, and nowadays the mushroom cultivation is also picking up as a household industry, and no starch, suitable for diabetic patients also. These are the various equipments for nursery techniques, and plant material will be grafted. Tissue culture, a small cell will be used for development of plant. Example is tissue culture. Here, because of the tissue culture, you can develop mass multiplication of the plants. Particularly nowadays they are doing in banana. And quality multiplication and production of healthy plants free from diseases. Because all these tissue culture plants are in farmhouse, that is greenhouse, so there will not be any contamination from outside pest and diseases. And production independent of season. Any season you can develop the plants under tissue culture. Suitability for problematic crops and xeroxing of plants also can be done. Can be produced under tissue culture. You can see banana, pomegranate, pineapple, strawberry, watermelon, and ornamental plants. The bankers can look into emerging technologies in agriculture. For example, genetic engineering. In genetic engineering, here it is applied in agriculture for developing insect or pest resistant varieties of crops, and also drought resistant varieties of the crop. So if there is a drought also, they can survive, and if there is any insect or pest attack, they will survive. So all these things, and sometimes delayed ripening of tomatoes and papaya also they will do in respect of the genetic engineering modification. Let us see the post-harvest technology and agro-processing. This is also an important subject in agriculture. What are the post-harvest management methods? One is treatment with chemicals. Second one is washing, grading and waxing. Then curing, pre-cooling, packaging and transportation, and ripening and vapor heat treatment, and one more thing, scientific storage and storage under controlled condition. This is washing and grading plant. Packaging. This is waxing the fruits to prevent the losses. This is transport through refrigerated vans. This is irradiation, that is radiation. Radiation means nothing but blasting the bacteria in the food particles and meat, etc. with the radio X-rays. Here the process kills bacteria, fungi and parasites in food, and food lifespan is increases. Ripening of fruits. When exporting the fresh fruits like papaya, mango and lychee, etc., the fruit is checked for quarantine pests such as fruit fly, etc. As per the quarantine law, any fruit that has undergone the process of vapor heat treatment is only eligible for import in the foreign countries. The process of sterilization the pest without the use of chemicals is an environmental friendly way, that is called as vapor heat treatment. Of the post-harvest technology. One is prevention of loss of food grains and fruits and vegetables. Then quality maintenance. Then enhancing the shelf life, that is life of that fruits and vegetables. Then effective marketing. Then facilitate processing, because once produced, it takes some time to go for processing industry. So that also to be maintained, and it will facilitate and better price for the producer. And one more thing, export and employment generation also will be there. Different type of food processing industries. Some food processing industries, they are making juices, honey, spices and cooking pastes, and some are manufacturing oils, vanaspati, bakery fats, fruit drinks and food items and beverages and ready to eat frozen food, spices, dessert mixes and chocolate, snack foods and carbonated drinks, juices, and also malt foods and cocoa powder, tea, coffee, biscuits, ice creams, atta, that is flour. Nowadays atta is also one of the important activity in respect of the food processing industry. Atta means flour, that is wheat flour, rice flour, all these things, instant drinks and jams, jellies, squashes, and one more thing, flavored milk and dairy whitener and ghee or butter oil and bread, cheese and cake. All these are comes under food processing industry. Sugar millet flour laddus are ready. Tasty curry leaf powder, tasty halwa for chutney is ready. This chow chow halwa very tasty. Tea ginger chutney is ready. Cucumber avakai is ready. Government is also giving lot of encouragement for food processing industries by giving subsidy, incentives, etc. And these are some of the export oriented units. Plant trees and make the earth as heaven.